input a value in Python, how we can do it and what is the exact command. So the command is input and the format is in this manner, and we have to write inside the message. So I will say what's your name, and I will hit enter and I will provide my name. So this is how I will get the output. Now how about if I want to save this output to a variable? So I will declare a variable and I will ask the same thing again. I will say the same thing. So this time it won't print. This has been assigned to this variable. Now let's print the variable. So the command is print. So this is how I am going to get the output. Now of course when I am receiving this output, I want to see what sort of output it is, whether it is integer or string. So I will execute type command and the variable name which I have previously executed. So I will get string. So whatever we will provide with the help of input command, it will be always a string. So what about if we execute, if we create a variable which will save a number? So we will just execute one more time, and we will say input enter any number, and let's see. So if I enter 7, so I will say first let's print the number and see, yes, we are getting the correct output. Now let's see the output of this command. What is the type of this numeral? So this is string. Now whatever we are providing, whenever we execute input command and whatever the input we are providing, it is always string. But what we know that, okay, this is a number and this is not a string, this is integer. If we want the same thing, then we have to execute the same thing, but before executing that we have to do the type conversion. So in this manner we have to do the same thing. And now I will enter again different number. So let's first print the same variable. So it is, yes, we are getting whatever we have typed, we have got the same number. Now let's execute type command. So yes, this time we got int. So I hope you like this one. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit like button as well. Thank you very much.